Welcome to the online session of Power Plant Engineering. My name is Vishal Acharya. Today we will discuss about the different types of nuclear reactor. First is the pressurizer water reactor. In any nuclear reactor, three main components is first is the coolant. Coolant is here use ordinary water with high pressurized. Second, moderator. Here same moderator use or reflected ordinary water, and fuel is used enriched uranium. Here first pressurized tank is used for the constant pressure maintained in the primary circuit. Here two circuit, first is the primary circuit and second this circuit is called the secondary circuit. In a primary circuit, use the pressurizer for constant pressure. In a pressurizer, two main components. Here, first is the electrical heater, and second is the sprayer. In a bottom part, in pressurizer, one electrical heater is present. Electrical heater convert the high pressurized water and temperature, and here water spray upper part is convert the water to the cool water and reduce the pressure. When in a starting we have a require some pressure, so pressure is provided by the electrical heater or convert to the high pressurized steam. When the load is decreased and we have a require less pressure, we will spray the water upper part of the pressurizer tank. In a primary circuit, here use the enriched uranium with the clad. Here produce the heat from the fission energy, and coolant is used as ordinary water. Ordinary water gets the heat by the fission process and in transfer in a steam generator like our simply feed water. Here feed water produce the steam and pass through the turbine and produce the electrical energy. Then pass through the condenser and pass through the again steam generator by the help of the feed water pump. This is the basic construction and arrangement of the pressurized water reactor. The advantage of the pressurized water reactor here first is the very compactness. So here less space required. Possibility of breeding is plutonium. So it is the main advantage. Another nuclear fuel we have a getting. Isolation of radioactive material from the main steam system. Here only one primary circuit is required for the isolation. Here only primary circuit produce the radioactive waves. Cheap light water can be used as a coolant cum moderator. Highly power density here. However, it suffers from the following drawback also. First is the use the high pressurized water system. Here formation of the low pressure steam. Use of the expensive cladding material for the prevention of the corrosion here, and high losses from the heat exchanger. Here the total pressure is depend upon the 140 to 140 bar for the primary circuit for steam generation. Here high power consumption from by auxiliaries. Our second is the boiling water reactor. In a boiling water reactor, main difference here, no use the two circuits, only one circuit for the production of the steam. Here use as a coolant water is ordinary water, moderator is the ordinary water, and fuel is used as the enriched uranium. Only difference here in a pressurized water reactor, here we have used the secondary circuit, here only primary circuit. So here only the concrete structure or the containment structure for the radioactivities is small. So this is the advantage of the boiling water reactor. In a boiling water reactor is water passed to the reactor and produce the steam by the help of the fission process, and through the turbine produce the electricity, and electricity pass through the household equipment, and turbine gas pass through the condenser convert the water and transfer to the control rod by the help of the feed water pump. The advantage of the boiling water reactor is heat exchanger circuit is eliminated, and consequently there is a gain here thermal efficiency. So here when we transfer the one energy to another energy, here some losses, but here it directly transfer to the turbine. So here this is the advantage of the boiling water reactor. Second, there are use of the low power pressure vessel for the reactor as compared to the PWR, means the pressure water reactor, because here high pressurized water is not required. This is the advantage of the boiling water reactor. The metal temperature remains low for the high given output condition, and the cycle for the PWR is more efficient than PWR for the given pressure. This is the main advantage of the boiling water reactor. Here operated at the lower nuclear fuel temperature. This is the advantage because of the material is required for the lower. The disadvantage here is possibility of the radioactive contamination in the turbine mechanism should be there be any far here. So we have required the turbine position far from the nuclear reactor. More elaborate safety precautions needed, which are very costly here. Boiling limit power density 3 to 5% by the mass can be converted to the steam purpose. Next is the gas cooled reactor. In a gas cooled reactor, main two types. First is the gas cooled graphite moderator reactor, is defined by the England. Here we have a use as a fuel as a natural uranium, and the moderator use as a graphite. Here natural uranium will combine with the clad and the magnesium. So here is also called the fuel is called the magnox. Here the coolant pressure is 7 bar and the coolant temperature is 336 degrees Celsius. Our second type of the gas cooled coolant is a carbon dioxide. This type of the arrangement of the gas cooled reactor, here in a primary circuit gas is passed through the reactor and transfer the heat in a steam generator. The in a steam that absorb the heat by the water and pass through the turbine and produce the electricity, and the same cycle as we already studied. Our second here same cycle, but only here design of the fuels and the coolant. Here high temperature gas cooled reactor. For the high temperature gas cooled reactor, we have used the fuel as a uranium carbide, thorium carbide, clad with the graphite, and the coolant as a helium, and coolant pressure is 15 to 13 bar, and coolant temperature range is 1700 degrees to 800 degrees Celsius. So here high temperaturize material use. Advantage of the simple process here: no corrosion, graphite is stable at a high temperature, CO2 elements as possible of the explosion, uranium carbide and graphite here resist the high temperature. Here disadvantage is fuel is more quantity and costly. Here power density is very low, more fuel like a high mass, and more power for the coolant and circulation. Complicated. In a Candu reactor is a different type arrangement of fuel rods and coolants. First, here coolant uses heavy water, so fuel is Simple uranium means the natural uranium. Moderator uses a heavy waters. Here, fuel rods are like a plates. Here, the length of the plates is the 0.67 centimeter and the diameter of the plate is 1.2 meter. In a one plate, he has 37 bundles. In a 37 rod in a one bundle, and we have used total 12 bundles. The weight of these fuel rods is 97,000 kilogram. Here we have a pass through the heavy water coolant in a fuel rods, so he's heated and the heat energy is transferred to the water in a light water system. Here produce the steam, and the steam is transferred to the turbine, produce the electricity, then pass through the condenser and condenser to steam generator. Here the arrangement of the reactor is shown figure. This type of the fuel is passed through the between the fuel rod. This type of Candu reactor is a high pressure density reactor used. This is invented by the Canadian country. The advantage of the Candu reactor is enriched fuel is not required, so here fuel cost is very less. Heavy water is used as a moderator which has a low fuel consumption. Less time is needed to construct the reactor. Here's some disadvantage also. First is the cost of the heavy water is very high. There are a leakage problem also, and it requires the high standards of design, manufacture and maintenance. Thank you.